Hello, good morning to all. Myself, Dr. Prem Rathod from Sri Siddheshwar Mahavidyalaya, Mazargaon, Head Department of Mathematics. Now, today we learn examples of linear equation of the first order. So, first example is find all solutions of the given equation. First equation is y dash is equal to e raised to 3x plus sin x on minus infinity is less than x is less than infinity. Solution. The given example is differential equation. So let phi of x be the solution of a given equation. Y dash is equal to e raised to 3x plus sin x. Therefore, phi dash x is equal to e raised to 3x plus sin x. Call this equation 1. Now, integrating equation 1, we have integration of phi dash x is equal to phi x is equal to integration of e raised to x plus sin x dx is equal to e raised to 3x dx plus as it is sin x dx is equal to, now we integrate this equation. Integration of this is 1 upon 3 into e raised to 3x plus integration of sin x dx is minus cos x plus c is integration constant. Therefore, the solution of the given differential equation is phi of x is equal to e raised to 3x divided by 3 minus cos x plus c. Now, we see that the second example of linear equation of the first order. So, find all solution of the equation y double dash is equal to 2 plus x on minus infinity is less than x is less than infinity. Solution. Let phi of x be the solution of given differential equation. Y double dash is equal to 2 plus x. Therefore, phi double dash x is equal to 2 plus x for this equation 1. Now, integrate equation 1. Therefore, integration of phi double dash x dx is equal to integration of 2x 2 plus x dx. This implies that integration 2 dx plus as it is integration of x dx. Therefore, integration of phi double dash x dx is phi dash x is equal to integration of 2 dx is 2x plus integration of x dx is x square divided by 2 plus c1. c1 is integration constant. Now, again integrating this equation. Therefore, integration of phi dash x is phi x is equal to integration of 2x dx is 2 constant as it is x square divided by 2 plus 1 upon 2 constant as it is into integration of x square is x cube divided by 3 plus c1x plus c2 is equal to, now cancel this 2 is 2, remaining term is x square plus x cube divided by 3 into 2 6 plus c1x plus c2 as it is. Therefore, the solution of the given linear equation of first order y double dash is equal to 2 plus x is x square plus x cube divided by 6 plus c1x plus c2, where c1 c2 are constants. Now example 3. Find all solutions of the equation y triple dash is equal to x square on minus infinity is less than x is less than infinity. So solution. Let phi of x be the solution of the given differential equation. Given differential equation is y triple dash is equal to x square. Therefore, phi triple dash of x is equal to x square. Call this equation 1. Now, integrating equation 1, we have integration of phi triple dash x dx is equal to integration x square dx is equal to integration of this equation is phi double dash x is equal to integration of x square dx is x cube divided by 3 plus c1, where c1 is integration constant. Now again integrate this equation we have integration of phi double dash of x is phi dash x is equal to integration of x cube divided by 3 is 1 upon 3 is constant, so 1 upon 3 as it is. Integration of x cube is x raised to 4 divided by 4 plus c1x plus c2. Therefore, phi dash of x is equal to x raised to 4 divided by 3 into 4 is 12 plus c1x plus c2. Now again integrate this equation we have phi x is equal to integration of x raised to 4 is x raised to 5 divided by 5 and 1 upon 12 is constant. Here coefficient of x raised to 4 is 1, therefore 1 upon 12 is constant plus c1 constant here. Integration of x is x square divided by 2 plus integration of c2